Sunday Partners, this is Joey Marcelo. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa New Zealand and later on, makikita natin kung paano hina-harvest yung ating pure barley. And at the same time, after harvesting, mapapanood rin namin kung paano pinapatuyo at paano pinapowderize yung ating pure barley. Although hindi lang namin kaya i-commit kung mapapakita namin sa inyo yung process of manufacturing because we believe it's highly confidential. But at least we're confident na yung product natin, which is pure barley and barley pure, ay guaranteed 100% from New Zealand and it's 100% organic. So welcome to New Zealand. We are excited because at long last makikita na rin natin how our barley is being processed.
I'll just explain. This is a pasture that has been planted for the regeneration of the soil fertility. It has nitrogen being fixed in the soil by the clover plants. It has plantains and chicory that will draw the nutrients up into the top part of the soil so that any crops that follow will have sufficient fertilizer that they can produce a good crop of barley leaf.
So it's natural fertilizer.
And it's natural fertilizer.
Yeah.
And no artificial fertilizer goes onto this farm at all.
Yeah. So how is it certified as organic?
We are Tim Chamberlain, the farmer, is certified organic by BioGrow New Zealand, which is an organisation that monitors everything he does, and he will be audited every year and he has to show that nothing artificial has gone on. The BioGrow are part of IFOAM, the International Federation of Organic Movements, which is an international body. So the farmer is looked at by BioGrow New Zealand, BioGrow is looked at by IFOAM, and so the whole cycle of organic production is monitored internationally, back down to this little piece of soil here.
Yeah.
But they're almost, at the point where we're going to cut them off here. We're only going to take this bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're not interested in that piece.
Okay.
Just from there.
The topmost portion.
The top upper
And
portion only.
it will only be harvested once.
Correct. Only once.
You'll see
We'll
this.
cut
The
it.
harvester will be
We'll
going.
show you
when
the
we get
harvest.
Good morning, Sante. Nandito po tayo sa barley plant in New Zealand and right now nakikita nyo po, we're in the process of harvesting the barley. This is a 4-hectare property and it's very cold right here in this place right now. Okay, it's autumn po here in New Zealand and the harvesting process started several weeks ago. Okay, papatapos na po ang pag-harvest natin and right now we're finishing harvesting this 40-hectare property and we're excited because we finally experienced kung paano pong nag-harvest ng barley. This is an entirely organic plantation, organic farm certified by New Zealand. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo po yung pag-harvest, okay, it's around a few centimeters lang po and this farm will only be harvested once. Okay, so meaning after harvesting yung young barley grass, pinapalaki na po yung mga barley and pinapatubo na yung mga grains niya. Okay, yung grains niya, ibang application naman po yun, but we are just getting the topmost portion of the barley grass. Okay, so one harvest lang po because after harvesting yung topmost portion, nandun po yung pinaka highest quality ng barley natin and then that's it. Okay, palalakihin na po siya until maging barley grains.
Oh yeah, here we are with our partners from New Zealand. They're in charge of our barley production.
Yeah, welcome to New Zealand and to be part of this barley production. We're happy that you're able to share it with us and we hope you enjoy a lot of success and a lot of good health with this product. Thank you from New Zealand.
So what
They
do they
just
do
know
prior?
different things.
What do they do prior to harvesting? They have to check the entire field if there are other materials in here such as leaves or.
I walk.
Okay.
For our crops,
Okay.
I walk across the field
Okay.
to make sure that it's all right. So I can say to Gordon, look, that bit there, go round it
Okay.
because it's got leaves in it.
Ah, okay.
Or that bit has got some weed.
Okay.
prickleweed or something around it. You don't want that.
Okay. So they,
certified really,
yeah.
so someone independent.
Because
comes and
many
has
can
a look.
claim that their product is organic.
Yeah.
But you need a seal from some
Just,
reputable.
someone independent to
Yeah.
come and have a look. So that's what the BioGrow
So
label means.
you audited once a year, twice a year?
Oh, just once a year.
Once a year.
Ah, okay.
Possibility of
When you say auditing, they look at your records.
yeah.
How you
You'll
Yeah.
do they
explain.
test? Do they still test the soil again? No, not anymore.
We have to supply soil tests. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, if they say they want to supply residue tests, well, we have to go and get one. But really, it's just about your process, making sure you're buying the right seeds,
Okay.
putting the right fertilizers on, natural fertilizers.
Thank you very much to you, our loyal Sante distributors. We are looking forward to a banner year this year, and really tremendous growth in the years to come. Talagang we have not spared any expense just to come to New Zealand, so just to make sure that we're really getting the best, and we want to give you our best, our distributors. Thank you very much. God bless.
Thank you very much, Sunday Partners. Papauwi na po kami ng Manila ngayon, and we believe that this is really a very successful trip. We've seen the entire process at kami po ay na-excite mismo habang in-explain nila sa amin what's the difference between an organic barley and a non-organic barley. And we are 100% sure na yung barley po na sinusupply natin in Pure Barley and Barley Pure are 100% organic. Nakita na po namin at na-meet na po namin ang lahat ng tao na nagpapatakbo ng ating manufacturing plant. We've seen our farmers. We saw how the process, how the barley are being harvested and are being processed. At kami po ay sobrang excited, and we believe that we have a great opportunity ahead of us. We will be the next big thing in the Philippines. Barley will be the next big thing. And I do believe na marami pong mabibless sa ating mga partners. So ladies and gentlemen, marami pong salamat sa panonood nyo, at naway ito pong video na to ay makatulong para mapalago nyo po ang inyong mga negosyo, and we do believe that we can create life-changing opportunities this year in Sante International. Thank you very much, partners, and we'll see you soon.